everybody to the local Big Time Clubhouse, and today we have a box I am really excited about from Barstool Sports. Now, for all of you who don't know, Barstool Sports is an internet sports outlet. They post a lot of sports stuff, a lot of comedy stuff. Now, part of that sports network is a group called Spittin Chiclets, and they specifically do the hockey stuff for Barstool. It's Biz and Whit and Grinelli and Rear Admiral and a bunch of other guys, and they're really great, and we love following them and stuff. And they have a vodka drink called Pink Whitney. New Amsterdam makes that drink, and Pink Whitney sent us this. So I'm really excited to open it up. We love the Spittin Chiclets guys. We've been to 3 of the Chiclets Cups. Came in second a few times. Pretty sweet, no big deal. Got my Weyburn Red Wings shirt on. So we love those guys. We're hockey guys, so it sort of makes sense. And I'm excited to see what they sent us. So here we go. All right, some of it looks like the sides were open and trained. All right. So we won a giveaway from them, and I wasn't sure about it. It's pretty sweet. And it is a miniature Pink Whitney Barstool Sports Zamboni. How you doing? Let's go. Look at this. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. It comes with bonus stuff. Let's see if we can get it out of here. Okay. I'm going to try to get this out and put it up on the table without breaking my back. Oh boy. Okay. Oh, it is huge. Okay. There we go. Oh my god. It's a remote control Zamboni. This is unbelievable. Let's go. Okay, so a remote control Zamboni with a cooler inside. Oh my goodness, let's go. That is so great. So you can see, I don't know if this stuff stays. Got some cups, Pink Whitney cups. With some Pink Whitney shot glasses. And they gave us 2 bottles of the Pink Whitney. Pretty sweet. Not a big deal. Jesus Christ. This is so great, look. So then this becomes a cooler. Yeah, and then it becomes a cooler. You can have it, put beers or 6-pack of soda. Anything you want to keep cool. This is amazing. Thank you so much. It's called a Pink Whitney wagon. You see that? Yeah. This is the greatest thing ever. Thank you so much. The local Big Time guys love it. We love it. This is amazing. It will be in our clubhouse forever. And yeah, we're just huge fans. Look at the size of this thing. It's got like lights and chargers. You get USB chargers and all sorts of like lights and speakers. Yeah, so you can hook it up to Bluetooth. This is awesome. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. This is really great. We are excited.